Rule 12, Article 4, Section A. No offensive player may pull a runner in any direction at any time. Doesn't say anything about pushing.
He pushes and sneaks. Touchdown, Eagles! It works again.
Couldn't stop it.
They could not stop it.
The team is kind of built for something like this. We have the best quarterback. We have the guys up there to do it.
We've got Kelsey. We've got Hurts.
We have a rugby player on our team. They learned the scrum from Mailata.
Eagles fans, this look familiar?
Getting low, driving with their legs. It's a recipe for success.
It's not a scrum. If it was a rugby player, we call it maul. Get it right if you're going to insult us.
Well, every time it's successful, I think it takes their manhood and their self-esteem.
Other teams are jealous, and that is why there's an outcry outside of Philadelphia.
Babies, in my opinion. Get over it.
Learn how to defend it.
We love when everybody hates everything about us.
It's clear-cut discrimination against Philadelphia.
You're hearing complaints from teams that can't stop it.
I'm sick and tired of the tush push.
I've heard it called the tush push. Do you know what the tush push is?
I say do tush push, baby. Let's go Eagles!
Le pousseur, le derrière.
The two-cheek sneak.
Two-cheek sneak, yeah. I've heard that one. The tush push is whack. You mean the brotherly shove?
The brotherly shove.
The brotherly shove that defines Philly.
You hate it, but you can't stop it.
We're gonna beat the Jets on Sunday and just keep pushing on through.
I think that in order to stop the Eagles, they're going to have to change the rules.